Most people get digital wallets in Romania completely wrong. They download one app, use it for everything, and then quietly lose money through fees, bad exchange rates, and limited features. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best digital wallet is not the most popular one. It is the one that matches how you actually spend money in Romania in 2026. And once you understand that, everything changes. In the next few minutes, you are going to see the 10 best digital wallets in Romania right now. You will learn which apps help you save money on fees, which ones give you real cashback, which ones are best for everyday payments, and which ones are useless if your goal is financial efficiency. By the end, you will know exactly what to install, what to avoid, and how to combine wallets like a smart user instead of a casual one. Let's start with one of the most important tools used across Europe. Revolut is easily one of the most powerful digital wallets in Romania in 2026. It is not just a wallet. It is a full financial ecosystem. You can hold money, convert currencies, pay instantly, and even invest all inside one app. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most Romanians use Revolut only for payments. But the real advantage is currency control. If you ever travel, work online, or receive foreign income, Revolut can save you a significant amount in exchange fees. For example, imagine Alex, a freelancer in Bucharest, who receives payments from clients in Germany and the UK. Without Revolut, he loses money on every conversion. With Revolut, he keeps more of what he earns. But here's the problem. Free plans have limits on ATM withdrawals, and some premium features are locked behind paid tiers. So it is powerful, but not always complete on its own. Now let's move to a strong local player. Banca Transilvania's BT Pay is one of the most widely used digital wallets in Romania. It is deeply integrated into the local banking system, which means high acceptance across stores, restaurants, and services. Here's why this matters. In Romania, local banking integration still plays a huge role. Many merchants prefer domestic solutions over international fintech apps. For example, if Maria is shopping in Cluj-Napoca, BT Pay works seamlessly for contactless payments and card management. Now here's where most people miss out. BT Pay also includes loyalty programs and card control features that help you track spending more efficiently than traditional banking apps. But it is still mostly Romania-focused. So if you travel frequently, you will need another wallet. Next, we move to a global giant that almost everyone already has. PayPal is still one of the most important digital wallets in Romania for online payments. It is widely used for international shopping, freelance work, and digital services. Now here's the truth. PayPal is not the cheapest option. It often includes currency conversion fees and higher transaction costs. For example, John, a Romanian freelancer working with us clients, uses PayPal because it is trusted worldwide. But he loses a small percentage on every payment due to fees. Now here's the smart move. Many users combine PayPal with Wise or Revolut to reduce conversion losses. This combination strategy is very common among experienced users. Next, let's talk about Apple Pay. Apple Pay is growing fast in Romania, especially in cities like Bucharest and Cluj. It allows you to pay instantly using your iPhone or Apple Watch. Now here's the interesting part. Apple Pay itself does not hold money. It simply connects to your bank card. But the user experience feels like a digital wallet because it is fast, secure, and widely accepted in modern stores. You just tap your phone and payment is done. But here's the limitation. Not all Romanian banks fully support Apple Pay yet, although adoption is increasing every year. Still, for convenience and speed, it is one of the best everyday tools available. Now let's move to Android users. Google Wallet is becoming extremely important in Romania in 2026. It works similarly to Apple Pay, but supports a wider range of Android devices. Now here's where it gets interesting. Google Wallet is not just for payments. It also stores tickets, boarding passes, loyalty cards, and even event passes. For example, if Jake is traveling from Bucharest to Vienna, he can store his boarding pass, hotel booking, and payment cards all in one place. But here's the problem. Many users still think it is just a payment app, so they miss its full potential. Now let's shift to one of the most important tools for international transfers. Wise is one of the best digital wallets in Romania for sending and receiving money across borders. It is extremely popular among freelancers, expats, and remote workers. Here's why it stands out. Wise uses real exchange rates and shows fees up front. No hidden charges. For example, Alex receives monthly payments from a UK client. With Wise, he gets money in euros without losing a large percentage to conversion fees. Now, here's the key feature. Wise gives you local bank details in multiple countries. That means you can receive money like a local in the US, UK, or EU. But Wise is not built for cashback or rewards. It is purely for efficient money movement. Next, let's talk about N26. N26 is a fully digital bank popular across Europe, including Romania. It gives you a European IBAN and a modern mobile banking experience. Now here's where it gets interesting. N26 is especially useful for people who move between countries frequently. For example, if John lives between Romania and Germany, N26 simplifies his banking life significantly. You get real-time notifications, spending insights, and easy budgeting tools. But here's the drawback. Customer support can be slower compared to traditional banks. Now let's move to Skrill. Skrill is a digital wallet used heavily in online industries like gaming, trading, and freelancing. In Romania, it is known for fast international transfers. But here's the truth. Skrill is not widely accepted in physical stores. So it is not ideal for daily shopping. It works best as a secondary wallet. Next is Neteller, which is similar to Skrill. Neteller is often used in trading and online platforms. It supports multiple currencies and fast transfers. But again, here's the problem. It is not useful for everyday physical payments, so it is more niche than mainstream wallets. Now let's talk about a rising trend in Romania. Revolut Business is becoming important for freelancers and small business owners. It allows invoicing, payments, and financial tracking all in one platform. For example, Maria runs a small online store in Bucharest. With Revolut Business, she can accept payments, track income, and manage taxes more easily. Now let's move to a lesser-known but useful option. Paysera is a digital wallet and banking alternative used in parts of Europe, including Romania. It offers low-cost international transfers and multi-currency accounts. Now here's where it gets interesting. Paysera is often used for business payments and cross-border transactions within the EU. But it is not very popular for daily consumer spending. Finally, we have Revolut Premium and Metal tiers. These are advanced versions of Revolut that offer cashback, travel insurance, airport lounge access, and higher withdrawal limits. Now here's the key insight. These premium plans only make sense if you actively use the benefits. Otherwise, the free version is enough. So the real question is not which wallet is best overall. It is which combination of wallets fits your lifestyle. For most users in Romania, a smart setup looks like this. Revolut for general spending and travel. BT, Pay for local payments. Wise for international transfers. Apple Pay or Google Wallet for fast contactless payments. And PayPal for online shopping. Now here's the biggest mistake people still make. They rely on a single wallet or traditional bank app, and ignore all these tools, which leads to higher fees and less flexibility. But once you start combining wallets strategically, you immediately gain control over your money. You reduce fees. You improve convenience. And you unlock rewards that most users never even notice. Let's quickly summarize what matters most. Revolut is best for all-in-one global spending. BT is best for local Romanian payments. PayPal is best for trusted online shopping. Apple Pay and Google Wallet are best for fast contactless payments. Wise is best for international transfers. N26 is best for digital banking lifestyle. Skrill and Neteller are niche tools. Paysera is useful for e-transfers. And premium Revolut tiers are best for advanced users. If you understand the system, you are already ahead of most users in Romania. Because in 2026, digital wallets are not just payment tools. They are financial optimization tools. And the people who use them correctly are the ones saving the most money every single year. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, comment which wallet you currently use in Romania, and subscribe for more practical finance breakdowns that help you make smarter money decisions every day.